Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll help you remove a floating shelf system. These floating shelf systems are really cool because there's no actual brackets which are visible, so it looks like the shelf is kind of magically floating against the wall. But maybe it's got loose and you need to tighten up the brackets on the wall, or maybe just want to remove the whole thing. These shelves aren't designed to take a lot of weight, only decorative items. So first of all, let's clear the shelf, get rid of the ZX Spectrum, A-Team stuff, surfing stuff, Point Break stuff, Big Wednesday stuff. And now let's remove the shelf. Now on this particular floating shelf system, we've got two locking screws which are underneath. This locks the shelf into position on the brackets. So we need to remove those first. And this is a crosshead screw, so you need your crosshead screwdriver. And you're removing these anti-clockwise to get a good firm connection. And unscrew that. I'm not going to unscrew that all the way because in my experience that will fall on the floor and I won't be able to find it. So just unscrew it until it's almost released and then just use your fingers for the last bit. And then store those somewhere safe because we're going to need those when we put the shelf back up once we've tightened it. And now literally what you do is you pull the shelf out towards you completely parallel and it just slides off of the brackets. Great stuff. Now you may find that if you've put a lot of weight on this shelf that the shelf has got loose. So what you can do is you can just check all the screws. These are actually screwed into a masonry wall, so these are wall plugs, so they can get loose. So I'm just going to tighten all these up. If you wanted to remove the entire shelf and the bracket, all you need to do is unscrew all of those screws anti-clockwise and just remove it from the wall. But I'm just going to tighten up all these loose screws. Just make sure they're all nice and tight. And I think when I put the shelf back, I'm going to put some Star Wars stuff on it, which will give me an opportunity to do a little Star Wars skit. Right, let's get the shelf back on. You just need to line it up with these holes in the back of the shelf unit. This is much easier with two hands, and if you're looking at it from the back, that will make it easier as well. So just line it up parallel. Let's just look at it from the back. And you're just sliding it on. Till it's nice and flush with the wall. Now let's lock the shelf in using those screws. I'm just going to put these hand tight first. I always do them hand tight first just to get them on the thread. And then the other one. And then change my electric screwdriver to clockwise. And then tighten these two screws up. Don't go crazy tight with these, they only just need to be nice and flush with the shelving unit. If you want to make that nice and neat and tidy, you could just put a blob of black permanent marker on those so you can't see them. Look at that, fabulous. Now it's time to put Darth Vader on the shelf.
Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father.
He told me enough. He told me you killed him.
No, Lurgs. I am your father.
And may the Force be with you, always.